everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I hope things get better. So I know I haven't filmed in a long time. I actually filmed June's Ipsy bagging unboxing and I never posted it, but I finally got my July. Here we go. And of course it seems like it should be already August, right? So late in the month, but I just got my Ipsy bags, so I don't know what's going on with the mail. It is what it is. So we are doing Ipsy regular July of 2021. Let's see what's inside here. And let's get started. So again, Ipsy is about $14 with tax, at least in my area, Illinois. It's about $14 a month, and you get five, is it five? Every now and then you get a full-size item, but it's like 5 sample size, deluxe size items for about $14. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not, but we're gonna go ahead and find out. So this is what the bag looks like. It says Stay Golden. Actually, this is a nice bag. And since I am now at the gym every day, these little bags come in handy, and I have lots of them, although some of them I do try to sell. And I love the little what is this called, the opener? The zipper. Oh, so actually it looks like an aquamarine, which is for March, my birthday. So let's go ahead and open it up. And it says that telling us we were ready for next month. August is the Halsey bag. Anyways, it says Stay Golden. This month everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. And again, this is for July of 2021. I really like that bag. And of course they don't give us what's in the bag. Normally they give you what's in the bag and the pricing. This one just says Bronzing 101, and it tells you how to do the bronzing. Every now and then I do it, sometimes I don't. It all depends on my mood. So let's go ahead and get started on opening up the bag. So the first thing I pulled out was a lip mask gel, and this is by Kaleidoscope. I can't say it. But I know you all will help me. That's what that looks like. We get a lot of this brands, don't we? We get a lot of this brand in our Ipsy bag. It might be the one. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not gonna be able to use it. And I'm using one which is my favorite. It's some kind of fruit mask we got in a previous one. It is my favorite. It smells good, it works, and I love it. So I'm not gonna open this one. So lip mask gel. There it is again. That's what it looks like. It's the first thing. And the second item is the Nomad. Another Nomad. Oh, we get these every month. Eres el Mundo. That's what it's called. Cartagena Mágica. Cartagena Mágica. I guess I'm supposed to say that in Spanish. That's what that looks like. So as you can see, the name, and then it says Eres el Mundo. So you what is it? Eres el Mundo. You're the world. That's what it means. And of course I can't open it. You know, I love putting on these fake nails, the impress nails, but man, oh, here we go. There's a bitch to be opening stuff. I think last month in the June one I got a Nomad. This eyeshadow. Yes, intense eyeshadow. Eres el Mundo. You are the world. Oh, that's nice. It's just a gold. I guess it's going with the theme, gold. That's what that looks like. Actually quite pretty. I really like this color. But it's just like every other gold, I guess. But very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Actually really nice. I like this. I'm going to keep this out because I'm going to use that. So we got that. I don't know what the pricing is. Just know that it is worth $14 that you pay for it. I think this bag is worth $14 this month. And I don't have a brush. It's shocking. Every month I get a brush. So the next item is, what is this? First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I do use this. I get it. It's about the 4th time I received this one. So we're all good with this one. Coconut. I think I have an open one somewhere. This one is not safety sealed, which is not a problem for me. Yeah, it smells like lotion. It doesn't even smell like coconut. Okay, and the next item, our third item, is the Purlisse Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Love this stuff. I've received this a few times. I do use it. So this bag is actually a good one for me. Everything in this bag I will put to good use. And that was the fourth item. And it is worth $14 for me. And the fifth and last one is called Real Her. And it's called Girl Power. I think we got this before. I think we received something like this. I think I received this color before. I hope not. I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna wear it because it's a mauve color. But I think I got like 2 of these already in the same damn color. Because it's a color, right? Real Her? No, Girl Power. Real Her is the brand's yeah. I received one like this. Oh man. I actually thought this was gonna be a good one and I was gonna receive a full-size item. Because that's, see the box? I'm thinking, wow, I got a full-size lipstick. Because there's a filler. This is the lipstick. That was disappointing. Yes, I received this color before. It's actually pretty. That's the color. It's actually nice. I think this is a nice bag. I got 2 makeup pieces. 2 makeup pieces. And then 3 items for your face. So I think that's a good bag. And then nothing else. And then this is the bag again. I actually like this bag. I really like this bag. I like the colors. So that's the color of the inside. And then the little dangle on the zipper. Very pretty. Yeah, I like this bag a lot. Stay golden. And then we received the lipstick, which is in the mauve color by Real Her. And this is a real pretty color, which is gold. You can never have too much gold. And I think it'll flatter every tone, so that's pretty. And again, the Purlisse Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I like this. I'll use it up. The Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer, actually a nice one as well. And then the Lip Mask Gel. Actually, I'm gonna open it because I'll use it. The one I use at night is in my purse, and my purse is put up, but I really like it. It smells so good and I wear it all the time. So let's see if I can try to open this. Ooh, I did it. It smells good. And it's like a red color. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like watermelon. No. Yeah, it smells like candy. Yep. It's not. It's a little sticky. It's a little sticky, but it's very moisturizing on my hand. But oh, it smells good enough to eat. That's it. That's everything I got in this bag. So let me know if you still want to see the June unboxing. If not, it's okay. We'll just delete the video. Like I said, I had edited. I even put it on YouTube, and then I just forgot to not upload it, but make it public, and it's just been sitting there. So anyways, and it's old, so I don't think you want to see it. And again, that was everything we got in Ipsy, the regular July 2021. I will link all the information down below if you want to get yourself a little bag and make the most of the items that come in it. You can get yourself your little arsenal of makeup and you know, skincare going. I might stop these bags. I'm not sure. See how well they do. But yeah, so thank you all for hanging out with me. I know this is a quick video, but that's the way we like it. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So again, Ipsy July 2021, and until next time, hasta later.